Hi kids, I am Smita Nanda. Today I am going to teach you some basic concepts of chemistry like symbol, valency and chemical formula. So today's first topic is symbol. So what is a symbol? So first we should know what is a symbol. A symbol is a short form which stands for the atom of a specific element. So what is a symbol? A symbol is a short form which stands for the atom of a specific element. Then what it represents? It represents number 1, the name of the element. Number 2, it represents one atom of the element. Number 3, it represents one mole atom of the elements, and number 4, it represents the definite mass of the elements. So I will show you what is a symbol. A symbol is a short form which stands for the atom of a specific element. Then what it represents? It represents name of the element. It represents one atom of the element. It represents one mole atom of the element. And fourth, it represents definite mass of the elements. Then, how do we write a symbol? Next is, how do we write a symbol? First, scientists thought that the first letter of the name of the element is their symbol. But later, this idea was discarded. Why? Because many elements have the same first letter. So, for example, you see, hydrogen and helium, they both have the same first letter H. Carbon and calcium, they both have the same first letter C. Beryllium and boron, they both have the same first letter B. So, then a new idea comes that the first two letters of the name of the element is their symbol. For example, that calcium, the first two letters Ca is their symbol. Silicon, first two letter Si is their symbol. Then some elements have their symbols from their Latin name, just like sodium. Latin name is natrium and symbol is Na. Potassium, Latin name is kalium and symbol is K. So, but how do we write a symbol? Always write the symbol of an element in the capital letter. If there is two letters in the symbol, then first is capital, then a small letter. For example, we write the symbol of hydrogen is like capital H, not like small h. Symbol of helium is like H followed by small e, not like this. So, this is a list of the elements of first 20 elements. This is a list first 20 elements of the periodic table with their symbols like hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K and calcium Ca. Then we comes to the second topic of the day, that is valency. Then what is valency? Valency is the combining capacity of an element. And there are two types of valency, negative valency and positive valency. When an element gains an electron, it becomes an anion or negative valency. And when an element loses an electron, it becomes a positive valency. Examples of some cations are Na+, Ca++, Cr++, etc. Anions are Cl-, Br-, O2-, etc. There are also called having univalent, divalent and trivalent. Elements having valency 1 are called univalent. For example, Na plus and Na plus, K plus, etc. And elements having valency 2 are called divalent. For example, O2 minus. And elements having valency 3 are called trivalent. That, for example, Cr3 plus. Then what comes the third topic of the day, which is called chemical formula. Then what is a chemical formula? Chemical formula is a set of chemical symbols showing the elements present in a chemical compound in their respective proportion. Then what is a chemical formula? Or once again, it is a set of chemical symbols showing the elements present in a chemical compound in their relative proportion. Then how do we write a chemical formula? First, identify the cations and the anions present in a chemical formula. Number one step is to identify the cations and the anions present in a chemical formula. Number 2, write down the ions with their respective charges. Then number 3, balance the charge by criss-cross multiplication such that the cations receive the charge of anions and vice versa. So there are 3 steps. Identify the first the cations and the anions present. Number 2, write down the ions with their respective charges. Number 3, balance the charges. Now we practice some chemical formulas. Number 1 is, first I will show you, that is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. So here cations is sodium, symbol is Na, chloride is Cl. Then here charge is 1, here charge is 1. So by criss-cross multiplication, so formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Next comes the formula is aluminium oxide. So aluminium is Al, oxide is O. Aluminium charge plus 3, this is minus 2. So formula is Al2O3. Then comes the chromium chloride. Chromium is Cr, chloride is Cl, plus 3 minus 1. CrCl3. Then comes sodium hydroxide. Then aluminium sulfate. Is Al, sulfate is SO4 plus 3, 2. So, by this we can write many such examples and formulas. That's enough for today. I hope you enjoy my topic clearly. Bye bye. Thank you.